China-Russia Library Forum focuses on AI application in libraries. Chen Ying, Deputy Librarian of the National Library of China, addresses the second China-Russia Library Forum in Beijing, capital of China, June 4, 2024. The second China-Russia Library Forum, themed on the application of artificial intelligence in libraries, concluded in Beijing on Wednesday. Xinhua a Luo Xin. The second China-Russia Library Forum, themed on the application of artificial intelligence in libraries, concluded in Beijing on Wednesday. In-depth exchanges and discussions on professional libraries, document preservation and protection, social public service, and smart libraries were conducted during the two-day forum, which was co-hosted by the National Library of China and the Russian State Library. Digital transformation in the library sector is not a fad, but a necessary condition for success, said Vadim Dudar, Director General of the Russian State Library. Libraries are faced with more diversified and complex user information needs and reading service scenarios, which requires us to think more deeply about how to use modern advanced technology, said Chen Ying, Deputy Librarian of the National Library of China. The first China-Russia Library Forum was held in Moscow in July 2023.